A good evening, everyone. Welcome back with the additional with extra puzzles in today's newspaper on Tuesday, April the 16th, 2024. We have here in this additional 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. We have here also 2 jigsaw Sudokus. One with 4 stars, one with 1 star. In Dutch, they call it Saiva block. In Japanese, Suguru. And the last puzzle is a binary puzzle. These puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve this evening. Not all. Why? Well, it's too much for me. Time consuming. And I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. And yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. And besides, I've already solved 3 regular puzzles this afternoon. Alright, the first one I will do is the 3 Stars Sudoku 8371. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has a lot, 28 printed digits. Usually the 3 stars puzzle has 25 printed digits. This one has 28, 3 digits more. For 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes. Well, should be a 0 stars, because for 0 stars, need to be faster than 14-13 minutes. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see which number can I pick. How about the 6 in this column, 6 in the third column, so the column between second column, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in the last row, 6 in the row above, so that row, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in the middle column, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in that row, so the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have 6 in this column, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6 in the last column, 6 in that column, so the column between the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in the second row, no 6 there, 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 6. Alright. And now, 7 in the third row, 7 in the second row, so the first row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have 7 in the third column, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the row below, so last row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there, 7 should be there, 7. Cannot continue with the 7 now. Need to wait. How about the... I need a 3. I need a 3 there. So I need a 3 here. In this column, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing numbers is a 3. We have a 3 in this row, so no 3 in this box. Here can be a 3. We have a 3 in this row. No 3 there. Here can be a 3. We have a 3 in this row. No 3 there. So the 3 in the third column could be here or there. Here or there, we see another 3 in this row. No 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this middle column. No 3 there. 3 should be there. Now I cannot continue with the 3. I need to wait. Need to wait. How about the 4 in this row? 4 in the middle row, so the row above, the only place left for the 4, it should be there. I need a 4 here. 4. Alright. And now, 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this column, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 in that box. So 1 box left for the 4 in this big square. Should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the row below. So last row, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the third column, no 4 there, 4. I should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in the third row, 4 in the second row, so the first row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there, 4 should be there. Do we have all the 4s? Let me count, and all the 4s are used. I can't see. Digit number 2, number 4, alright. Alright, and now, let me see. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this row, so no 9 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 in this big square. Should be there. Then 2, 5, 7, 2, 5, 7. Let me think. Need an 8 here. Need a 1 here. Come on, 7 in this column, 7 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 in the last column, 7 in that column. So the column 3, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. We have all the 7s, and all the 7s are used. I can see, yes, digit number 2, number 7. 2 missing numbers here in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have a 1 in the second column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 8 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in the second row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1, 1, 1, 1. 1, 1. That means in this column we need a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in this row, so no 1 there. Here can be 1. We have a 1 in this row, so no 1 there. So the 1 in this column could be here, here, or there. Here, or there. We see another 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 in the row below, no 1 there. Only place left for the 1 should be there. Now I cannot continue with 1. I need to wait. Alright. 2 missing numbers now in this big square. For the numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 2 and 5, 2 and 5. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 1 box left in the middle row for number, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. Then, let me see. 1 box left in the middle column for number, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing here. Alright. So we have a 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 9 should be there. Then 9, 9. Need a 9 here, yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in the last column, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. We have a 9 in the second row, no 9 in those 2 boxes. So the 9 in this big square could be here, could be there. 9 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 9 in that column. So the column between, only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 9 in this row, 9 in the row below, so the last row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9 in the third column, 9 in the first column, so the column between. The second column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 9. We have a 9 in the third row, so no 9 there. 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 9. Alright, 2 numbers left now in this column. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and a 3, 2 and 3. We have 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Then, let me see. 2 and 5. Two numbers left in this big square. For numbers the 1 and 2. 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and the 5, 3 and the 5. We have a 3 in the third column. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Two numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1 and 2, 3. The 4, the 5 is missing. The 6, the 7 and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have 8 in this column, second column. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Two missing numbers in this big square. For numbers the 1 and 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 2 and 5, 2 and 5. We have a 5 in this row. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 5 in the last row, 5 in the row above. So in that row, the only place left the 5 should be there. Two missing numbers in this big square. For numbers the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have 8 in the last row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 in this column, 2 in the column next. On the last column, the only 2 places left. The 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the third row, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 in the third row, 2 in the second row. 2 in the first row, the only place left. The 2 should be there. Let me see. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have 8 in the last column. No 8 there. 8 should be here. The 1 goes there. 8 in this column. 8 in the last column, so the column between. The only place left 8 should be there. 8 in the first row, 8 in the second row, so in the third row, the only place left 8 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers the 1 is missing. The 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 1 and 5, 1 and 5. We have a 1 in the last column, the 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 5 in the third row, 5 in the first row, so the row between the second row, the only place left for 5 should be there. Finish in 11 minutes. Wow, cannot believe this. 3 stars. Well, no. 2 stars not. 1 star not. Should be a 0 stars. Told you, 28 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve the puzzle. But for this one, 11 minutes, definitely a 0 stars. And I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.